Hello homemade chefs, today I'm going to tell you how to make mixed vegetables. This is a vegan recipe and it's also non-dairy, meaning there's no butter or milk or yogurt used. You can say it's a Mediterranean recipe. So first I put 2 cups sliced carrots in a cook pot. So guys, I have not turned the heat on yet. I'll turn it on later. Next, I'll use 2 large potatoes cut into medium-sized pieces. I'll put that on top of the carrots. The next layer, I'm going to put 1 to 1.5 cup of peas. On the top they go. Now this is half cauliflower cut into florets. And I'm going to add some sliced onions. This is 1 large onion or 2 medium onions sliced. Next, I'll be putting 3 Roma tomatoes cut into pieces, chopped, large pieces. These are 3 to 4 white cut chillies or green pepper. And last but not least, some julienne cut gingers. This is about 3-inch piece. I cut it julienne. Now it's time for some dry spices. So here goes 1 tablespoon salt. Now I'll put 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. In goes the cayenne pepper. Now it's time for some turmeric. In goes half teaspoon turmeric. Next I'm using 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, which is totally optional. And lastly, in goes 3/4 cup olive oil on top of it all. Now I'll cook it for 10 minutes on medium-high heat. Remember to cover it so the steam can happen. Time to take off the lid. It's steamed up. And now it's time to mix it a little bit. See, I'm mixing it, sliding my spoon in on the bottom and then flipping it over so the vegetables don't get mashed. Now that you have mixed it properly, I'm gonna pierce the potato and the carrot with a knife to check if they're tender, and it's based upon you how much tenderness you want. So this is usually sold at the Indian store. I use some dried fenugreek leaves to just enhance the flavor. And then this is cilantro, chopped cilantro goes on top. At this point you can mix it, leave it like this, or you can cover it and cook for 2 to 3 more minutes, and this is the result. So they're cooked properly now, and then you can serve it in a bowl, and you can have it with naan, roti, or rice, or even parathas. It's really delicious. So give me a thumbs up, like my video if you like the recipe, try it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to come back for new recipes. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching Cooking, Cooking and Chai. I'll see you in the next video.